CleanAIR introduces CA-40, safety helmet with an advanced built-in air distribution system and a flip-up welding shield. The product is offered in 3 different specifications: CA-40 as a protective helmet with welding shield, CA-40G as a protective helmet with grinding visor, and CA-40GW as a protective helmet with welding shield and grinding visor. In combination with a PAPR unit or compressed air, offers the highest respiratory protection. Remove protective foil before first use. Headgear settings. You can easily adjust the head circumference of the headgear by turning its back wheel. Use the side headband holders with holes to adjust the desired depth of the helmet. Make sure to set and secure headband pins in all 4 holders. Sweatbands replacement. Remove the face seal from the back wheel. Unclip the pins from headband holders and remove the headgear from the helmet. Gradually undo Velcro from the sweatband. Replace the original sweatband with a new one. Secure new sweatband with Velcro. Then snap the headband back to the holders. Finally, attach the face seal back to the back wheel, removing and installing the face seal. Remove the face seal from the back wheel of the headgear. Unclip the pin on the face seal from the hole on the headband holder. Do the same on all 4 headband holders. Gradually pull the face seal out of all the pins around the visor. Install the new face seal onto the helmet in the reverse order. Attach it on all the visor pins one by one. Snap the face seal into headband holders and slide it back onto the back wheel. Removing the welding shield. Completely unscrew the red screws on the sides of the helmet. Remove the welding shield from the axle on the side of the helmet. Screw the red screws back into the helmet. You can put the welding shield back in the reverse order. Replacing the ADF adjustment. Before replacing the ADF, remove the welding shield from the helmet. Gently lift the wire latch holding the ADF and flip it out. Take the ADF out. To replace the battery, lift the small cover at the top of the ADF. Place the ADF back to its position in the welding shield and secure it with the wire lock. To set up the ADF, use the controls to switch between the welding or grinding mode, as well as to set the shade level, sensitivity, and darkening delay. Visor replacement. Several variants of easily replaceable visors are available for CA-40 helmet, from toric visor with a high mechanical resistance and optical quality available in transparent, yellow or shades 4 and 5, to cylindrical, which is compatible with a protection foil. First, remove the face seal from all pins around the visor. Completely unscrew the red side screws on the helmet and remove the welding shield and then the visor. Replace the visor by a new one and install the welding shield back on the helmet. Screw the red screws back into the helmet. When using a cylindrical visor, you can use a protective foil. Peel off the protective film from the foil and attach the foil through the hole on the pin in the visor. Place the foil on the other side in the same way. The stickers on the sides ensure the foil is secured correctly. Finally, attach the face seal back onto all pins around the visor. Connecting the hose, correct wearing of the helmet. Push quick lock connector of the hose onto the CA-40 connector and connect the hose with a simple click. Place the helmet on your head and pull the face seal under your chin. Use the back wheel to set the desired circumference. Replacement of the outer foil. To replace the outer foil, simply lift the edge and click. For inserting a new foil, insert the first edge, gently bend the foil, and insert the second edge. Putting on leather protection. The leather protection can be attached to the helmet using textile hooks on the strap. Pull the face seal towards you to make room for textile hooks to be inserted under the face seal. Attach textile hooks behind the plastic edge of the face seal at the back and on the side of the helmet. Thread the back wheel through the hole in the leather protection. Secure the leather protection with rubber bands behind the side screws of the helmet. Finally, pull the protective tape over the face seal cuff. Putting on hearing protection on the helmet. Insert the individual parts of the hearing protection into the side openings on the helmet from above. Place the helmet on your head. Keep the welding shield and the visor open. Turn the ear muffs downwards and press them against your ears. Then close the welding shield and the visor. Use of helmet holder. Clip the helmet holder to the belt and hang the helmet by the back wheel. CleanAIR. Work hard, breathe easy.